Today I'll show you how to mix colors even if you don't have the exact filament color you need. As you can see, this toy is printed in a chocolate brown color. Let's say I want to print it in light pink, but I don't have any light pink filament. However, I do have red filament and white filament. So what can we do? Bambu Lab has added a really useful feature called color mixing. With this feature, you can blend different filament colors together to create a completely new color without needing to buy another spool. So we choose red as the main color and white as the secondary color. Then, as you can see here, a new button has been added called Add Mix Filament. We click on it to open this window. After that, we simply choose the percentage of each filament, adjusting how much of each one we want until we get the exact color we're looking for. After that, all we need to do is change the color to color number 4, which is the one we created. Then we click OK, and as you can see, the toy is now printed in a light pink color, exactly as we wanted. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the latest tips, tricks, and new content.